Hi Shambhu, wish you many happy returns of the day. It's already half a century. We are all friends. We are so happy to know that today is your 70th birthday. We were not only activists, colleagues, but also personal friends too. Days passed so fast that it is already 5 decades. When I first met you in Patna, and when you were a medical student, you are also the General Secretary of the Bihar State Council of AISF. I came there as the National General Secretary of All India Students Federation. I do remember the incident in which you took me to your so-called hostel of the medical college, which is outside the campus. There was heavy rain and almost 1.5 to 2 feet water was there in the room. It was a big hall, then a room. A huge cot was there. And you along with other friends used to share it. I do remember that as there is no table, your correspondence with National AISF and State District AISF letters were put under the cot on the left side and right side. However, in such a situation, you were pleasant and happy. And I hope you remember there was a big turmoil with the total revolution movement led by Jay Prakash Narayan. Rightist forces, including the ABUP, were active. Naturally, we opposed a rightist movement in such a circumstances. Though Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad were leaders of that movement, were your good friends personally, you built up a powerful student movement and organized a broad student front with many other student organizations. I do remember that we together toured some districts of Bihar to address some meetings of the Students' Federation. After Bihar, you came over to Delhi and took over the responsibility of the presidentship of All India Students' Federation, along with Aziz Pasha as General Secretary. You both toured many states, built up a very good movement. After the student movement, you left your state, I left to my place, but we used to meet sometimes during the National Council meetings. Comrade Usha is known to us as an activist of AISF, as the daughter of one of the tallest leaders of the communist movement, Comrade H.K. Vyas. She used to be active in spite of her busy activity as a medical student. We were happy that both of you got married. We used to feel that you both were something like made for each other. Comrade Usha was always helpful in medical and other problems also. Unfortunately, her demise suddenly has created a big void. We are all sad And we do understand that what a void it has created in your life. In spite of the best medical aid that is available, unfortunately, she could not survive. Comrade Shambhu, when you were the spokesperson of Samata Party and later as a MLC, you played a good role, though we had differences politically. But you resigned on a very good subject, that when Nitish Kumar and Janata Dal decided to go soft with Bharatiya Janata Party, as a secularist, you couldn't tolerate it, and on principle, you resigned it. It's a very good step, though it is personally lost to you. Now, in the present political situation in the country, though we are old, we do need to contribute to fight against the semi-fascist tendencies in the country, undemocratic, unconstitutional activities of the central government. I wish you, along with my wife Vijayalakshmi, long, healthy life to serve the nation, to fight for democracy, to fight for the people of the country. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Hi Shambhu, many happy returns of the day. I remember the days when we were in Moscow for 15 days, extended for a period of some more days because of the Bangladesh war. And each day we used to have a lot of fun because of you. We used to be so witty and jovial all the time and having good time with all the members of our delegation. Nice remembering all this after almost 40 to 50 years. Have good life, healthy life. We were all family friends for a long time. And not with the way we cannot think of the family without Usha, but still we have to wish you good, healthy life.